activated.
We're going straight up to left and just absolutely wrecking havoc on
Let's give
stuff.
them a hard time.
See, I like playing something fast and nimble, but it's just that this does not have a lot of hit points, and like you will basically instantly get destroyed by anything.
By thunder.
Like torpedoes, even 2 of them you'll be dead.
Requesting assistance.
Enemy force detected. Roger.
Now that's too short.
Smoke generator started.
So now we got this guy. So I'm gonna run up, torpedo it, and get the hell out of here.
Engine boost deactivated. Critical engine damage.
Run for it.
Problem solved, sir. Smoke screen set.
Nice shot, baby.
We destroyed an enemy cruiser.
Attack enemy aircraft.
I'm gonna go and get him because that's gonna be really helpful for the team. And all we have to do is take evasive measures, and we should be good. We have a ship chasing us though. So the question is, do we go with him?
Problem solved, sir.
He's trying to protect the carrier.
Engine boost activated.
This aircraft here is dead.
Our team has taken the lead.
Oh, that's a big hit right there. These torpedoes are just gonna kill him.
Enemy aircraft carrier blown up.
I don't care what they do to me. I really don't. And look at that, we won. That was a really quick battle. Same map, same location.
Engine boost activated.
Battle starts.
Let's give them a hard time. Enemy force detected.
Oh, really? Come on. I hate planes. Strong can target their aircraft carrier. Want to help the team too. Because they're annoying. Really annoying. Also why I like to use them.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Shoot. Too many people over here.
Requesting assistance.
Over penetration expected.
Engine boost deactivated. Enemy battleship detected. Smoke generator started.
Enemy cruiser sunk.
Problem solved, sir. Smoke screen set. The ship is on fire.
He's probably dead. No, okay, it's not.
Problem solved, sir. The ship is on fire.
Again? seems like
Enemy
I'm always on
battleship
fire.
sunk.
Torpedoes, direct front. Problem solved, sir.
Since I'm just getting over penetration over and over again,
Direct front.
we're gonna use some high explosive.
Our team has taken the lead.
Torpedoes, dead ahead. Engine boost activated.
Dude, if I dodge with my thumbnail, yeah.
General quarters.
Engine boost activated.
Enemy force detected.
Where? Ah, dude, that's a lot of guys.
Smoke generator start.
Enemy battleship sighted. Enemy cruiser sighted.
If that guy was stupid
We
and
sunk an
probably
enemy
a
destroyer.
bot. Actually,
Smoke
no,
screen
100%
set.
it was a bot.
Requesting support.
I'm a guy.
Engine boost deactivated.
Screw it. Dude, where's
Requesting
my
assistance.
support?
Affirmative.
I guess that's the way to do it, but not one that I would recommend. Yeah, balance is fine with that. Yep,
Our team has taken the lead.
I get only one kill. That's nice.
Torpedoes, direct front. Engine boost deactivated.